Hi everyone, welcome to the Fauna Craft edition of Paper and Joy. So this month, continuing on from the card theme with the butterflies, we're going to be making this little motivational stand. So it's butterfly themed and has come with your choice of motivational sayings. So I've got a selection for you, and you can choose that. You can put it on your work desk, maybe kitchen bench or kitchen window sort of area, maybe bathroom or wherever, shelf. So hopefully you like that. All right, let's go see what's in your craft pack and start crafting. Okay, so here is what you get in your packs. You get the base piece, the butterfly base piece. You get the two stands that we'll use to put on the back to make it stand up. A patterned piece, so everyone's got a different piece. Hope you like the one I've chosen for you. And then also a selection of 12 different sayings. So hopefully one of these motivational sayings will mean something to you and excite you. The other option, you can either choose your favourite and put that in. But how I've sort of designed it is you can also use this to, the background piece has these little tabs on there, if you can see that. So you can actually slide in the sayings as frequently as you like. So if you like to change it, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever, or when it feels like it, when you feel like it, you can also do that too. So you can choose either one you like or many. So hopefully something from here excites you. Okay, let's get crafting. Okay, so you'll need a piece of scrap paper for gluing. And the first thing we're going to do is grab your base and also the cardboard, the patterned paper. Now just give the tabs a little push to make sure that they sort of are loose enough to stick out so that you can easily slide in your sayings sheet. And then we'll pop some glue on the back. This sort of will line up with where the body of the butterfly, so this sort of line and this line here. So it sits just in the middle of that, and then sort of if you line it up to the edges as well, as in sort of centered there. Okay, let's get gluing. Now don't glue into the little tab, so sort of glue around that. Just so we don't stick the bits in that we don't need to, stick them down and we can't use them. Alright, so nicely to the edges. Okay. So lining up the tops and the bottoms where the cut pieces are, and then sort of centering that across the middle of the butterfly. There we go, and then just make sure your tabs can, still stand forward a bit. Okay. Now we'll pop the stand pieces on the back now. So we'll just turn the butterfly over. Now the two stand pieces have little score lines at the top, so you can just push that so that makes the stand, and the other one as well. So we'll just put some glue on this small piece here, and that line will line up with the cut edge of the wing there. Okay, all right, so some glue just on the small section, a generous amount there so that these don't fall off, and then just lining up the line, just at that cut section, and a nice press. Oops. And the other piece as well, again lining up the fold with the cut of the butterfly wing. So glue and press. Oops. Okay, so while that's drying, we will get a sewing piece. And so just cut that out from your sheet, whichever one you choose, and just cut inside the printed border line. So we don't want that to show. So I'll just finish cutting this. Oops. There we go. Bucket rubbish bin again. All right, so there we go. So there's no border on this, and then we can hopefully easily slide that in to our, yeah, there we go. Just maybe fold these out a little bit. Okay, and then that will slide in and have a nice pattern border. So there we go. I've chosen be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. And then when these are dry, you can just sort of bend those out. Oops. And there we go. Your finished butterfly. So hopefully that inspires you, motivates you, makes you feel happy. All right, till next time. Ciao for now.